Veren Ashuradon served the Sons of Horus during the Great Crusade and Horus Heresy. Born on the homeworld of his Primarch, Horus Lupercal, Veren would be recruited from among the tunnels of the planet's criminal underworld and swiftly rise through the ranks of the then Lunar Wolves. Zealous and capable as a warrior, Ashuradon would be promoted to the rank of captain of the 23rd chapter of the Lunar Wolves and be known among his kin as the First Reaver. Pioneering in his methods and tactics as a commander, Veren's daring assault maneuvers leading his Reaver attack squads proved to be so effective that they would be replicated throughout his legion. Disgusted by the men within his legion of Terran birth, the traditions and culture of Chthoniya were in his mind superior to the cradle of humanity, and as such, Ashuradon surrounded himself with only those of his homeworld. Utterly loyal to his liege, Veren would, alike to his new Sons of Horus brethren, betray the Imperium, with the War Master as enacting of the civil war, the Horus Heresy. Despite earning great distinction during the opening years of the Rebellion of the Traitors, Ashuradon could not deny the gradual decline of the Sons of Horus Legion. Unwilling to allow what remained of his proud legacy to be sacrificed to the powers of chaos, Veren gathered those of his peers who, alike to him, would not pledge fealty to the ruinous powers. Naming themselves as the True Sons of Chthoniya, this new society of honorable Sons of Horus Astartes called for reform within their legion. Ignored by War Master Horus and his inner circle, the True Sons would, regardless of their conflicting loyalties, be tasked with a campaign of utmost importance. Chthoniya had been invaded during the Great Civil War by the Imperial Fist Legion, occupying its soil. Besieging the garrison of the planet with 20,000 Space Marines under his command, Ashuradon, with additional aid from the Dark Mechanicum, Wordbearers and Alpha Legion, enacted his invasion during 013.M31. Whilst the Siege of Terra simultaneously waged, the True Sons of Chthoniya would initially find success in their wresting of the planet from Loyalist control. His nemesis commander of the 7th Legion, Lord Castellan and captain of the 465th Company, Evander Garius, despite his orbital defenses being destroyed, would not allow Chthoniya to fall into the hands of the Sons of Horus. Dueling within the personal throne room of Horus Lupercal within Traitor's Gate during the final stages of the campaign, Evander would grievously wound Ashuradon. Retreating from the battle with the arrival of the Dark Angel's Legion to aid the Imperial Fist garrison's relief of the siege, the Knights of the Lion destroyed the planet. As Veren watched his homeworld collapse, in his heart he knew that the fate of his legion was beyond all hope of resurgence. His honored traditions and reverence for his culture turned to little more than ashes.